Join me as I take on the challenge of trying 7 vegan food options to lower my cholesterol and see if I can make a difference in just 1 month. As we age, our cholesterol levels can creep up, and if we're not careful, it can lead to some serious health issues. That's why I'm excited to share with you the power of a vegan diet in managing cholesterol levels. By incorporating plant-based foods into our diet, we can significantly reduce our risk of heart disease and other health problems. High cholesterol can sneak up on us, and before we know it, we're facing serious health risks. It's a major contributor to heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. When we have high cholesterol, our arteries can become clogged, leading to heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. The good news is that making some simple changes to our diet can make a big difference. If we don't address high cholesterol, it can lead to some devastating consequences. We're talking about heart disease, heart failure, and even kidney disease. The risks are real, and it's essential that we take action to protect our health. By making informed food choices, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing these conditions. The great thing about a vegan diet is that it's packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that can help lower cholesterol levels. By focusing on whole plant-based foods, we can give our bodies the tools they need to stay healthy. So, let's dive into the 7 vegan food options that can help lower cholesterol. Oats are a great place to start. They're rich in soluble fiber, which can help remove excess cholesterol from our digestive system. Next up is barley, which is also high in soluble fiber and has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Then there's almond milk, which is a great alternative to dairy milk and is rich in healthy fats and fiber. We also have apples, which are packed with fiber and antioxidants that can help keep our hearts healthy. Berries are another great option. They're rich in antioxidants and fiber, and have been shown to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. Avocados are also a great choice, as they're rich in healthy fats and fiber, and can help lower cholesterol levels. Last but not least, we have walnuts, which are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, and have been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. One food option that really stands out is oats. I've personally seen the benefits of incorporating oats into my diet. I've started eating oatmeal for breakfast, and I've noticed a significant difference in my energy levels and overall health. Studies have also shown that eating oats can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating these 7 vegan food options into our diet can have a significant impact on our cholesterol levels. By making some simple changes to our diet, we can reduce our risk of heart disease, lower our cholesterol levels, and feel more energetic and alive. So I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite vegan food? Do you have any questions about incorporating plant-based foods into your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about vegan foods and heart health, be sure to check out my other video on the topic.